In this video, we will show you different ways you can play Minecraft with friends. We will show you how to join public servers, how to play on private servers, and how to play on realms. Use the clickable sections below to skip to each method. There are many popular Minecraft servers available for you and your friends to join. To join a server, you will need to have its IP address. To find an IP address for a specific server, you can search online for the server's IP. The website used here is topminecraftservers.org, which will be linked in the description below. Once you have the IP, click on Multiplayer. To immediately join a server, click on Direct Connection. Enter the server's IP in the slot and then click on Join Server. If you would like to add a server to your servers list, click on Add Server. Enter the IP in the server address slot. You can also enter a name under server name. Once you've entered all the details, click on Done. This will add the server to your servers list and make it easier for you to join the server without entering the IP each time. Another way to play Minecraft with friends is to have your very own server. If your friend has their own server, they can send you the IP for you to join it and play with them. You can also create your own server and invite friends to join it. If you would like to know how to create your own server and port forward it so that you can allow your friends to connect to it, we will link 2 video tutorials in the description below. You can also play with friends through LAN. This is only possible if friends are within your local network. For example, if your friend is connected to your Wi-Fi, you can create a LAN world for them to join. To do this, click on Single Player. You can join an existing world or create a new one. Once you've joined the world, go to your in-game menu by pressing the Escape key. Then click on Open to LAN. You can change the game mode and whether or not you'd like to enable cheats. Then click on Start LAN World. Anyone that's on your local network will now be able to join your world through the Multiplayer tab. You can also create a realm and invite friends. Realms allow up to 10 players to join. It also includes options for minigames and many custom worlds. And it's much easier than creating a server. Once you've opened Minecraft, click on Minecraft Realms. You will be given an option to either get a trial or buy a realm. If you click on Buy a Realm, you will be taken to the Minecraft.net website where you can select a plan to purchase a realm. After buying your realm, go back into Minecraft and go to the Minecraft Realms tab. A green text saying "Click to start your new realm" will appear. Click on the text to begin. Once your realm is created, click on it, then click on Play to join it. In order for friends to join your realm, you will need to send them an invite. To do this, click on your realm, then click on Configure Realm, or you can click on the tool icon next to your realm. Then click on Players. Click Invite Players. enter the Minecraft username of the friend you'd like to invite. Then click Invite Player. This will add the player to the invited list on the left. If you're invited to join a realm, click on the Minecraft Realms tab. You will then see a small envelope icon at the top. By clicking it, you will be able to accept the invite, and your friend's realm will now appear on your realms list for you to join.